Excel FVSCHEDULE function. This function returns the future value of an initial principal after applying a series of compound interest rates. It is perfect for investments with variable rates over time. The syntax is FVSCHEDULE with two parameters, principal and schedule. The principal is your starting amount, and the schedule is an array of interest rates applied in sequence. There are two arguments, both required. Principal is the present value or initial investment amount. Schedule is an array of interest rates to apply sequentially through compound multiplication. Here's an example. We start with a principal of $1 and apply 3 years of different interest rates, 9% in year 1, 11% in year 2, and 10% in year 3. The FVSCHEDULE function returns 1.33089. This means $1 grew to about $1.33 after compounding through 3 different annual interest rates. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when any value in the schedule array is non-numeric. Make sure all rate values in your array are valid numbers. Key points to remember. FVSCHEDULE handles variable interest rates over multiple periods, unlike FV, which assumes a constant rate. The schedule accepts an array of rates applied sequentially. It is ideal for step rate bonds and adjustable rate scenarios. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.